What's up, KC? KC crime fighter activist Alonzo Washington on the set. Got on my red Air Force Ones. Got on a Monarch jacket, Levi special print jeans. Man, I'm over here in Johnson County, and this is not the KC crime fighter this time. This is the weather fighter. I'm showing you how the wind blew down the roof of a gas station. I mean, not a gas station. A car wash, man, over here in Jacob. I was picking up my son, and I saw it on the news, and they really didn't show it a whole lot. I saw it on the news a little bit, but they didn't show it a whole lot. And then I saw it in the Shawnee Post, and I said, well, I'm gonna be taking my son out. Maybe let me get some pictures of this shit. So I gotta watch out for these trees and shit where I'm at. But we gonna get some pics of this, man. I'm just trying to fly steady under these trees, get it out the way. This car's coming over here and shit. This bitch don't want to come. So I'm waiting for these cars to go past and whatnot. And I'm gonna hit some business. Let me hurry up. Come on, drone. Come on. The sensors don't want to. I got pick this up in the air. Get out the way of these cars and shit. Alright, so I'm about to get a shot of this over here, man. There we go. Get away from the trees. That's the roof that collapsed over here, man. I'm walking so I can get a good operating space. There we go. So check it out, man. It was 60 and 70 degrees winds and shit. And this motherfucker got fucked up, man. So I'm gonna let y'all see. Get another shot, man. It's like, I don't know, I'm raising so much attention because everybody be looking at my black ass. You know, I got on all this red and shit. Let me not lose orientation with the drone. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. Get y'all a better shot here. There it is. That's a good shot. Let's see. Right there. So it's a car up under this motherfucker, man. And they said nobody was really injured. But, man, those people that didn't get hurt real bad was very lucky because there's a car right up under this shit, man. So I just wanted to come out and shoot this. Let me bring this drone on over. It's gonna be flying. Yeah, this roof collapsed on here. I think that was Thursday when it was windy. Yeah. And it was a person under there, but they said that person was all right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What's the other part?
I don't know, but this part's open, so.
Yeah.
All right. No problem, sir. Yeah, so people are asking me like I really know, even though I do know from watching, you know, being informed, man, staying up with the media and shit. But yeah, man, they barely put this on the news. You know, if I wasn't looking at the Shawnee Post, this is a reporter out here that goes to a lot of crime scenes and shit, and I follow him sometime, and that's how I was able to know about it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get a little shot here. Now I got people really looking at the shit, cause I'm looking at it, and everybody wanna look at it. Let me get a shot of me in front of this wreckage, so I can get my shoes in the shot. Yeah, man. So this wind, man, it wasn't that bad. Let me fly around and let y'all see where I'm at over here in Shawnee Mission. I think I'm in Shawnee. Yeah. Take this shit up in the air, take it up in the air, take it up in the motherfucking air. Let y'all see the city. This is where I'm at. Right over there at City Thrift. What is it? Thrift? City Thrift? There was somebody that robbed somebody with a gun and shit. Right over in this mall here. And then over that way, it was a major shooting that took place. So I'm just Got the big drone showing y'all what it's capable of. Get a shot of the city. I'm about a mile away right now. Here, bring this bitch back. But let's shoot this way. And then up the street here at these apartments, if you go down this street, that's where the little white boy told the little black girl she didn't need to be in his area. And she said, my black is beautiful. And he called her the N-word and knocked her teeth out and shit. And they gave him house arrest. So bad. They really don't be policing these little bad motherfuckers, man. Now, had that been the other way around, he wouldn't have got no house arrest. And it was a white female, he knocked her teeth out. His black ass would have been in detention like a motherfucker, locked the fuck up. The prosecutor was saying they're trying to get him the help he needs. But getting off of those subjects and shit, man, just letting y'all know. Let me get a shot, man. This is a fly outfit. Y'all check out the outfit. I'm killing these hoes. Got the red going. I got on a red Apple Watch, red Beats, blue, and everything. So that's what time it is. And we'll get another shot of this car wash. Get it from that perspective. So here come a motherfucker riding on the street. And get the fuck out his way. But shit. We'll let this dude's way. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's good. Get a shot over here. Alright, I'm about to shut this shit down, man. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. So yeah, this wind did a number on this vehicle. I'll let this one car get by. And then I'm about to get the fuck on out of here, man. But yeah, I just wanted to come out, try not to step in this water in my Air Force Ones and shit. Look at a exterior shot. Alright, I'm about to end this video. But yeah, man, be weather aware. That's all I'm saying. Be weather aware. You can. Let me get a shot of myself right here. Yeah. No. I'm about to leave. What? Why? Is it a law against it? No, it's not. It's not. I'm not in your way. I'm getting ready to leave, so you can go back to where you are.
Yeah, I'm just.
Yeah, I'm not breaking the laws. Get the fuck away from me. I ain't done shit. Call him, motherfucker. Go ahead and call him.
Landing.
I know all of them. I give them tips. I'm Alonzo Washington. I solved the Precious Doe case. All right? I am going to get off your lot. I said I'm leaving, so you don't need to talk to me. Bye. Get the fuck out of here. I ain't breaking no laws, bitch. Fuck you. Motherfucker. Yeah. So he want to call the cops. I kick him up his little narrow ass, bitch. Who the fuck he talking to? Anyway, I'm out. KC Crime Fighter Sexiness. Peace. I'm out.